tends to his patch of seaweed filled with tiny creatures that he eats. As with most farmers, his work never ends. He removes snails and any other grazers that come to eat his algae, no matter how big they are. He has to deal with pests of all kinds. This can be the worst of them. Sea urchins that can scrape off every vestige of algae from a rock. Its spines are needle sharp. Somehow the Garibaldi must remove it. But the problem with sea urchins is that they just keep coming. When evening arrives and the light fades, he has to stop. He not only needs a rest, he needs to hide. Because at night, predators prowl through these forests. A torpedo ray, capable of stunning its victim with 45 volts of electricity. While the Garibaldi hides, the urchins can feed without interruption. The light returns, and he finds his farm is once again under attack. Urchins, like locusts, have the ability to swarm. And this can be disastrous, not just for the Garibaldi, but for the kelp forest itself. All the vegetation is now under attack. The urchins move through the forest, cutting through the kelp fronds and leaving behind vast barrens. These urchin armies have felled many kelp forests along the Pacific coast of North America.